Wanted to ask about Michail Antonio. We see from West Ham that he's withdrawn. What can you share with us about that, and how does that kind of change maybe what you hope to do with the attack tomorrow against the US?
Well, sometimes when it rains, it pours in our case. So he got injured during the game against Aston Villa on his shoulder. We were hoping it would be okay, but it looks like it's not. So we're just waiting for the confirmation to see if he is available for the second game. But most likely he will not be ready for our first game. So we called in Romario Williams here from US, and he was quick to respond, and he's in our squad now. So we are prepared if he needs to withdraw from the squad.
All right, so as you hear Hallgrimsson explaining exactly what happened with the Michail Antonio situation, and the intent was to have him for the second game, actually. That's that's just in case. But obviously, he won't be able to make it. So they call him in the event, hopefully that he'll get better and be able to maybe got the opportunity to partake in it. Unfortunately, it happened. And so it's now confirmed that Romario Williams is the person who replaced Michail Antonio. So Hallgrimsson would have shed a lot of light here on some of the questions being asked by some of the fans. What happened? Why Michail Antonio didn't turn up? And even earlier, I did a video explaining indefinitely, in detail, the context surrounding Michail Antonio. Now we have got the official confirmation that injuries is a big reason why Michail Antonio is not here with us today. This is Hallgrimsson post-match, the pre-match press conference, and this is just me doing a reaction to the Michail Antonio comments made by Hallgrimsson. Look out for more. I'll be keeping you guys update on more comments that he has made in it, and these are comments that people hear, but just adding a bit more context to it. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. MG Sports TV, and we are out. Boom. God bless.